Bus here? See, he's driving a bus. So let's say a train's coming by. Watch. See, a train's coming by. Look.
Let's go into the tunnel.
See, this is a street. That's not a train track. There's a bus right here. But he has to stop because the stop sign's down. Then he lets the train go by.
Oh,
Then the
wow.
stop sign, then you can take the stop sign out because now the train's by and then he can come through.
Wow, Wee, you understand? You love this?
He's driving the bus around.
What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? I'm stick to that
Yeah, Maggie.
This is the caboose. He goes on the end.
He's up, look, he's up there. He's up there, look. Big train is up there. He's up. Remember to clean up and put everything away. If you want to do something else, just
Wee, do you like your birthday present? Yes?
he's coming